This is the way I put my switches in. I take the drill bit here, small drill bit, start a hole off, and I take the drill, it's a unicorn bit right here, I call it a unicorn bit, it has stages on it, steps. Take it, drill it out, it's a nice certain size hole, nice hole. Then I take the switch that we have, I put the switch in the hole like this, so it's nice and mounted, and see how nice and flush it is. Then I take my glue, throw a little bit of glue on here, let it harden a little bit. And we get the idea of the mounting. So you get a nice flush mount, works, and that's how I install my switches. So when you look in the back of the car, you see nothing besides let's clean this off. Nice and flush. And that's how I install my switches. Thanks for watching.